How often hearing aids should be replaced? 5 key questions to ask before upgrading. Are your current hearing aids functioning well? Regular maintenance and occasional repairs may be required to maintain optimal performance. If your hearing aids are not functioning well, consider cleaning or repairing them before buying new ones. Are your current hearing aids fully meeting your hearing needs? If your hearing aids are delivering benefits in the situations that matter to you, it may be premature to consider new hearing aids. However, if there is room for improvement, it may be time to look at newer technology. Are your current hearing aids meeting your hearing prescription? If your hearing aids are not meeting your prescription, ask your provider to improve the fitting or consider replacing them if they are inadequate for your hearing loss. Is it worth upgrading to take advantage of new hearing aid technology? If your current hearing aids are performing optimally and meeting your hearing needs, upgrading may not be necessary. However, if there are specific needs that could be addressed by newer technology, weigh the cost of new hearing aids against the expected benefits. How do you plan on financing your replacement upgrade? If you are personally financing your hearing aid replacement and can afford to upgrade, do so whenever you feel the need. If you receive funding from the government or another third party, there may be limitations on how often you can replace your hearing aids.